Today we will be doing a mod to the car that gives me more out of the car itself. More features, more control, and a better overall driving experience in general. I bought the Tazer to unlock hidden features within the car that just wasn't offered to my trim level from factory. Let's get into it. Considering the direction that I'm trying to take this build in, I just felt like it really just made sense because it's no longer just about how the car looks. It's becoming more of a performance vehicle. So I just felt like it was time to increase the performance when I'm actually sitting behind the wheel and controlling it from the cockpit of the car. For anybody who don't know what the Tazer is, it's basically a little device that unlocks all the hidden features and capabilities of the car that really ain't offered to every trim level of the Dodge Charger. It's more for the higher trim levels, but my system has access to it. I just had to learn how to tap into it, and that's what this device does. My biggest concern was installing this device and it causing more damage or something to the car instead of improving to it. So I knew from the beginning that this step right here and this install process will be something that I had to take my time with and be very careful and make sure that I did it right on the first time. Okay, now the moment that I got the car started back up and I noticed everything was still functioning and working properly, at that very moment, I had a sense of relief that quickly turned into excitement. I was fired up at this point. So I noticed that it gave me access to performance pages, customization and personalization features and stuff that I did not have in the stock version. So once I had a little time to play with the screen and look through the settings and see what all new capabilities I had, the next only right thing to do was to take it for a test drive. Once I fired it up and pulled it out of the garage, I immediately knew that this wasn't the same car. Just tapping on the gas a little bit, taking it for a spin, I noticed that my car had a completely different attitude about it. It just seemed to be way more aggressive and way more mean at the touch of the throttle. And this I fell in love with. Doing this installation process by myself really taught me to pay attention to details. Like I said, it taught me to measure twice and only cut once. You want to do things right on the first time. And it also, most importantly, taught me to take pride in my work. Take pride in your work. Just want to let y'all know that this is not an impossible install. This is something that you can do solely by yourself. But I want to let you know that it requires patience. You got to pay attention to details. You got to make sure that you do this right on the first time. Like I said, it's not impossible. You just got to be cautious. This mod is for people who want to push their car to the stock capabilities. This is for people who want to maximize their drive experience and for people who want to live up to that American muscle standard that we have set in the car community. So if you're one of those people, my advice is that this mod is for you. Like I said earlier in the video, This mine right here, it's a simple install, but you gotta have the capability to follow instructions exactly. You gotta have patience, you gotta take your time with it, you gotta make sure that you do it right. That is very important. This mine right here, it's supposed to be fun, it's supposed to be enjoyable, it's supposed to be a good experience for us in the car community. So with that being said, make sure you take your time, make sure you do it right. Don't turn something that is supposed to be a good experience into something that becomes a headache and something that you regret doing it. Just take your time and make sure you do it right. And for those of you out there who was wondering if this is actually worth the money and if this is actually worth the time, in my opinion, I would say absolutely. I enjoy mine, and as soon as I got it installed and was able to experience what the Tazer actually does, I have no regrets. And I hope that your install and I hope everything goes good for you. For me personally, this was a great experience, and this is only the beginning. I needed to take this step to unlock these features of my car. Therefore, my car is ready for what I'm about to do in the future with the next modifications that's up to come. So y'all take y'all time, do your research, look it up, study it, make sure it's compatible with your car. Different install things need to take place for different trim levels. So just make sure that you do your research and take your time with the install, have fun, and enjoy it. These features right here, the car already had these from stock, but I figured I'd just still go through and show you guys what we have. We got the dyno, engine, shows you the power, the torque, the oil pressure, what gear it's in, G-force. We got the gauges, timers, and this is how it looks from the basic home screen. Like I said, these were already standard. These are the special features that we just added here. I'm only gonna go into the performance side of things for right now. So you got your auto, you got your sport, you got your track mode, and my favorite is the custom, because you can tie all of these settings here in at the same time from here, and it really changes the performance of the car. That's what it's all about right here, guys.